Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I ko previous video upload tawgibada ko. Hagi some of the subscriber adagi some friend of mine moinu ko request tawreba ko aigi leiriba room se sigi tour tawro hairaga ko. Aina leiriba se London da aina leijariba room do adugi oina room tour tawrakeba ko. Ado room tour tawrakpase ai mapandagi oina ulake aduga manungda kamaina room kamaina aigi kamun da kamaina tawe habdo adu ulake bako na pande ulake hey adu mayam ai room do adu ulake bako adu ga lainari ba sida lainari ba room khudi mak loina rented oi ba room ngaktani bako aduna mimi gi privacy su pina bani na mapanda wayam ngam tu nungaite ai room manu do changa je bako ai room number si 33 ne ai saina design tawr thame aduga mayam aigi because ai tomda laibani na ko aigi safety oina ngagi moishigi telecom je pi bako so if like me whoever comes in my room before they come to my room ai soina video oina ko sida u phangani bako sigi door da lepa aduga outside main gate da lepa sida u phangni bako and moigi apartment gi manu saning bata de ko moina call toro kan ai sida gi loina key da operate to bayai bako mi ju u gani plus call receive to bayai adagi key open to bayai adagi alarm loi set toro thamme bako aduna ai the security oina ngai ki aduga manungi ulake bako ai hek sanga matung da ko haidi sathok chasin tawbani na aigi shoe rack che ai sido ina thamme bako ado aina pamaga di si extend tawba saina tawba yai but anyway si katang limited oina thamaga haidi yamna thama main more pe heli dana dugi saina tang thamme bako aigi hek sanga paga moina kitchen setup pura full setup oina pi bako setup tawse first top layer gyan har ke se aina koi ki wash tawba khotpa loin sida tawe aduga ai plate ngai sida thamme aduga mostly UK da mostly moi pi ba se khamra induction oina pi bako si ai induction ne si je plate ani opa de bako just opposite mathakta exhaust oina yawe bako mathakta turn on na like when you are preparing food you can turn this on and exhaust ki thabak tawre tana ko and apart from this they have given this like ai see the storage yamna ko they have given very spacious storage here if I show you these are some of the stuff that I regularly eat. I know this is messed up but yeah this is what I eat and I got most of them from Indian store and also when I came from India see and even upstairs up whatever it is all my I go chana ngai ngata ne se ai cha yumni porokda sana ngai ngata pore bako si yengo store khudima actually it's ai loi chana ngai ngata ne bako simadi khara ai plate kumba kai store thobado adu thame haidi plate cups kumba macha macha aina glass coffee yam thakan bakan bado aduga ai green tea hai tare ko loi thame duga mathaksu makha si loina ai chana ngai stuff ngata ne bako adu loi matungda ai si storage ne ai all masala yumde porak paching do yen thongba khoi gi kai tawna ngai gi si noi khanga mani si ga si de loina yumde porak panga tane si lai gare ko duga agi isagi oven pi bu ko oven si je oven pi e si dana agi fridge pi e fridge si de lai o yam no di ulo roi gi bu ko but ya agi fridge pi si da agi ngari ka ki store taro loi thame sidana moko again a space for to store my utensils sida space pi boka ai sida zu again ai masala gumba stuff khara thame haidi oil gumba masala sauce kai loin store tor thame boka sida duga sina this washer ne sida kai hapaga nang koli phenging der ko sida hapsan bai but normally I'm not using this because I prefer to wash by myself aduna I use tawde ado sina ko khogi waste bin thamna ngai gi ko amut pa ke thamna ngai gi okay now that I have shown my kitchen area I would like to show this part which I love the most. Okay, so this is like agi kaino ne bako agi like a bag carry bag. This has got a wheels on it and if I buy a lot of things then I take this and go away so then I can pull this easily carry and come back so I see poor sat lebo ko hadi pot mayam gumba laiba matam do aduda kaino tawna ngai gi aduga my favorite part is this my coffee area because I love drinking coffee. So I got my own coffee machine. This is where I boil water regularly, which I use it if I want to drink tea. Apart from that, I get small like I again another different cups. Saina sumba cups kumba. Adagi shizu है ना different cute cups kumba collect tawra thame. So aina coffee thakning budo again for my own happiness I do that. Aduga shise aina ko morok metpal sage harga laibane buko ado lairakpadagi morok amu fumet tari video mathang namok pada morok melaga hapake. अदुगा मैम आई कॉफी की हेक मनाक तको आई खोगी का हाइतारे कॉफी टेबल थमेबको and if I want to work some days I sit here and work like editing and all. If I want to do I do it. Just opposite to this I have one cute sofa yamna sofi oiba sofa mo pi moina plus sigi carpet su pi bako no this one I got it by myself. Sigi carpet su lai aina duga this are my babies noi most videos da uramani ko shi aina toy utpane bako these are my cute babies. Aduga someday if I want to have a very good day, like if I want to relax myself, then sida laga phamaga coffee thaga mama ga wari sanaba adu yam tawale bako duga just ahead of this I go I temple macha ama lai bako sine bako temple macha je I like khiram bada si ke taraga I duk thaba yadabanina I candle oina thaiba so candle collect tawra thambada sine candle kana toise aduga just for the room kaino tawna ngai khambra aina saina plant macha haina lower thamme saina aduga lakheba ko ai sofa silai gredana sofa silai matungda ai dining table hai tare ko dining table I can move around whichever direction I want to sit. Actually I do some days noi uramani ba ko ai sida ka phamaga sida taroga noida video utpa adu tawe aduga some days aina video namning matanda sigi side se utpa adu tawe ba ko aduga mayam aina ko aigi room gi aina whenever I go out I have the habit of collecting small toys for myself. So adu so utke ba ko aina one by one taroga shi sing se ulake ba ko close aina ulake hai jesi ne bako Aladdin ga Jasmine ga gi couple hoina chana mabani leina ngai gi sima collect tawre aduga next to it aina plant ama thame bako adu simadi noi loi khangnaramani mawana gi he adu ne bako si thamake aduga sina khogi horse ta kaino tobuto mathakta sije aina khama I collected this from Cornwall tapada lerakpani bako adu aina Christmas matam sijina aina Christmas matam da I tom the light room gi light pamadi I turn this on and just give me a very good light aduga simadi noi khangamani khoina pi kan ta sorry I am sorry. Sijina ko khoina pi kan da yengu to teli tabisana adudo I collected actually marini dana ko I have collected only 2. Maybe I will buy the 2 of them later. Like Shizu aina Cornwall tapada I collected this and came. And this one is my Mr. Dog. It's a captain. He's a captain dog. So yeah, he looks so cute. So I collected this and came. Then I have different cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had only one earlier in the previous video. Aina ko sigi car se katang hapane bako. Adu matung da collect to ba car ngatane sije ai Harry Potter gi car ne bako. Sije ai Harry Potter ki car ne. So what I can do is like I can open this window se call open to ba ya bako hana. And from the opposite side I can open the window. The dicky je car ki dicky se open to ba ya see. Looks so cute. So I collected, yeah. See ma dagi see I made a separate video earlier where I store my this thing preserve rose thambado sida ina adu sida thame bako real rose preserve tor thame sida aduga sina I give my little cute boy this one, and even this one is my cutest boy actually. This one I can take this off. Ui, like this. Yeah, can take it off like this and put this back. So I prefer this one is more cute without this, but anyway it came like this, so I put it like this back. Yeah. Aduga mayam sin aigi bedroom ne bako aigi bedroom. So bedroom has like in one room everything is like it's a big room and they just part the ways like this. Aigi bedroom ne because he say aduga just next to my bed I have my lamp like night ki lamp on torge. Mostly I turn this on and sleep. Otherwise, if not, I don't want this lamp, then I have this small lamp again. This is a cute one. So I turn this on and I sleep off like this gives me like very minimal light. Also, I can save electricity. So yeah, I turn this on sometime and sleep. And this is my morning. This doesn't give me any sound. Okay, this is just for this thing, like just to decorate the room. So I kept this way, but it works actually. So that's it. This is my bedroom. Then, yeah, and this is my fan. From the day I purchased this, the next day the weather changed and I'm not using this anymore. And these are my lovely plants, my lovely pictures, my puppies. Then this soft toy again. And yeah, this is chocolate balls. I have chocolate inside. And then these are some of the gifts that I got from the hospital side. Pirapani buko moina. Kugi Easter gi kano do aduda. Easter gi rabbit adune. And some of the chocolate. Haina, I give beautiful flowers. Then this Hana already you guys must have seen this background already, but yeah, I'm just showing you. Yeah, and they gave me this a big almirah where I store all my things. I don't want to open and show you guys, but I love this because they've given me a big mirror where I love to stand 24 hours and see myself. Yeah, that's it. Aduga mayam aina habdo agi almirah saina pire dana ko almirah masagi oina saina pire aduga mirror. I love my mirror. Aduga sigi ha saita ko agi moina ko washing machine oina pi ba ko washing machine je sida leire. Here is my washing machine. Sida pi plus same time ko agi water boil tawnanga agi sida ko achoba machine ama pi ba ko where like aina amomok day once in a day time da ko turn on toroga like half an hour gumba on tordi ko masana matom the heat up toroga that store for like full 24 hour. A long day I could store and keep it, so whenever I want to take shower I use that hot water. Mayam last way na ko agi kano the toilet washroom ko maina pi have to so ulake ba ko di yamna di kachanga na maroige tatlang ulake hek sang ba ko agi mirror oina pi ba ko chauna si double sided mirror ne ai ulake ba ko dagi agi face wash ka ke tawnang agi sida piye agi toilet aina ke flower kar store tor thame ba ko hadi moina saina pirak pani na aina sain toroga dum thame saina aduga ko sije scented ne ba flower ne ba ko manam ke bathroom gi manam control tawnang agi aina sije thamane ba ko si leire aduga agi sina hadi bathroom moina saina pi ba ko aina Nale yamna spacious oil plus it's actually very clean. Most interesting part of my camera. I see mirror se double sided mirror ne bo mirror onya laye aduga sigi mirror se light ka saloi on tawe ai bo ko hana saina the aina kening azu saina ne camera mirror se da on taraga light se masagi like it will give me a very good light aduga ko aina these are some of the nail paint aina collector thamba nail paint ne bo ko aina hospital da thabak tawzar so aina whenever I have my off days I try to put different color and yeah these are my used nail paint ne bo ko adagi sina ai perfume khara ne aina collector thamjaba among all of this the one that I love the most is this perfume Gucci ki kano je flora se manam khunung shima shi je khambra singai collector thame aduga sina ko normally aina sina ba cream adagi lotion gumba adagi toothpaste adamai saina thame ba ko sine sida ba sided mirror ne saina close hoye ado mayam last way na ko sije aina khwai ngi yamna cute oi ba agi kanu hai tare ka hai sira toys ka hai tu no khangde sije khamra sun khogi numitagi sun gi solar gi ne ba ko so sije numit chupa ma hai normal lai doine agi penguin ga adagi agi sigi Chinese ki kanu se nupi se siga but yeah this one I'm going to give it to my brother khoida da pi ge ba ko magi card tham na ngai gi so that's it guys adi aina lover room do aigi isagi live room do aina oina organize haidi like daina setup oina pi ba ko I know the Utpazuka Hore, Mogiko electric heater, kinda, I give bathroom the Moina set or Tambi Boko, so like I know, the pig pounding us who got on Toramatom the dry oil say Boko, Adu P. Ado mayam, sida loishalake video say I was so young plus I think I am actually tired now. So I'll end my video here and yeah. No I video yamna I video yang bagi whoever is watching my video, thank you so much and thank you for giving a good comment. I'm so happy about that. And yeah, I'll end my video here. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.